Hi, today we will learn the phrase force something on somebody. This means making someone accept or do something they don't want to. It's often used when someone pushes their ideas or rules on others. For example, a boss might force new rules on employees. Remember, force something on somebody is inseparable. You say, force something on somebody. You cannot put the object between force and on. For example, she forced her opinions on the group. Not she forced on her opinions the group. Use it when someone is being pressured or pushed. It can be about opinions, rules, decisions, or even products. For example, don't force your taste in music on others. It usually means the other person doesn't want it. Similar phrases are impose on or push on, but force on is stronger. Try to use it in sentences like, they forced the new schedule on us, or he forced his ideas on the team. Now you try. Make your own sentences with force something on somebody. Thanks for watching. Keep practicing and see you next time.